Also cut the top of the tree. Before the harvesting process starts,
mature trees are harvested from both plantations and native forests. Trees harvested at a younger age produce smaller logs, and wood is a porous and fibrous structural tissue found in the stems and roots of trees and other woody plants. It is an organic material.
So what we have here, we have a map of our plan for cutting product, which will be the wood logs. We have a machine and a worker. So the wood harvester, so it's a specialized machine transported here on the site, potentially being used for cutting the trees in whole and also producing straight away the logs. The logs later on could be easily transferred to the timber, to the lumber as well.